Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace engine air filter in 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. This is also gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 and all the way up to 2020. Town and Countries made from 2011 and all the way up to 2016. First I'm gonna open the hood by pulling this hood lever. When your hood is open, you wanna locate your airbox, and it is located on the passenger side, right in this corner. It is right here. So your engine air filter is located inside of this airbox. To open up this cover, you will have to undo 3 metal clips. They look just like that. So what you wanna do, you wanna come underneath, push it up, and then remove it. Same thing with this one. Come underneath, and there is one more right here. Now when those 3 clips are removed, you can just lift up this cover. So actually, not just lift up, what you need to do, it's attached here on the back of it. You just wanna kind of pull it towards yourself a little bit, and then you can lift it up, and right there you can see your engine air filter. So basically you just wanna remove the old one. Before installing new one, it's a good idea to clean up your airbox if you have any dirt inside. And now grab your new air filter and you just wanna put it back inside. You wanna make sure it's properly aligned, that it sits properly, and then you can put this cover back on. And now, before you attach those metal clips back on, you want to make sure that you slide the back of this cover inside of those holes, just like that. And now I'm gonna put those clips and that's it. The job is done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.